Introduction. The objective of the present activity is to note the prepositions on place and their application. So they will be used to describe the place or anatomical positions of some organs of the human body in the subjects. Examples for this activity. It is also important to know that the prepositions of place in English, they are usually placed behind the main verb and they are used to describe where an action happens or where something is found. Where is the cerebellum located? The cerebellum is located behind the upper parts of the brainstem, where their spinal cord joins the brain and is made of two hemispheres or half. Where is the heart located? The heart is located in the middle mediastinum, just behind the sternocostal wall, in front on the viscera of the posterior mediastinum and separate from the supramesococal abdominal viscera by the diaphragm dome. Where are the lungs in the relation to the heart? Like each lung is the contained with its own pleural sac in the thorax cavity and are separate from each other by the heart mediastinum. That is, they are located on the sides of the heart in addition to other structures of the mediastinum such as the trachea, esophagus, and blood vessels. Where is the heart in the relation to the liver? The heart is on opposite side on the upper and lower side of the chest in relation to liver. Where are the parotid glands? The parotid glands are small adjacent structures, occasional endeavors in the thyroid gland. The parotid glands are usually located in the nut behind the thyroid gland, usually located near and behind the thyroid gland. Where is the liver located? The liver is an organ located below the diaphragm on the right side of the abdomen. Where is the gallbladder in relation to the liver? The gallbladder is located at the lower edge of the liver, between the right and left lobes. In the female anatomy, where is the urinary bladder located? The urinary bladder in the female anatomy is located in the excavation on the pelvis. At it is faced to the pubis. Behind the version, it abords the rectum and the vagina of the woman. At the top, it is covered by the parietal peritoneum that separates in the from the cavity from the abdominal cavity, and below it is lipped with muscular with the perineal musculature in the woman. Conclusions. After carried out the presented activity, I reaffirmed that is a very important to know how prepositions of place are used, since they are very useful in the area of health to describe the anatomical positions of the organs of the human body, and that the structures in the proper centers is due to place them for the members, and they can be used to describe where an action happens or where some things are.